Right fellas, I've just had an alarm fitted in the garage. I've got the MasterBlaster, which is 127 decibels, and also the alarm, the box is fitted with a little siren itself. Now what we're going to do is, I'm going to test the MasterBlaster with, so here we have a decibel meter on a phone, and you can see at the minute we are making about an average of 62 decibels, which is me talking. Now I have the ability to turn the MasterBlaster off, so I'm going to turn the MasterBlaster off, set the alarm and let it go off and see what the standard alarm, see what kind of decibels that makes. Then we'll knock the MasterBlaster on and see how many decibels that makes. Like I say, it is rated for 127, so which is equivalent to a jet engine, like a jet plane. So we'll turn the MasterBlaster off, set the alarm, let it go off without the MasterBlaster, see what kind of decibels that makes. So I'm at my alarm box, so let's punch in the code. This is without the MasterBlaster. I'm not going to use any hearing protection. Right, give it 10 seconds. Right, so that is averaging, I'm actually talking and it's going up massively. It's averaging just under 80 decibels. Now, let's get some hearing protection on, turn the MasterBlaster on and set it off. Now, genuinely fellas, I get nervous to set this off because I am in the same garage as the alarm itself. It's in the room with me. So let's get the hearing protection on, set the alarm, and see how loud this MasterBlaster is. But like I say, genuinely I get nervous. It is loud, very. So I'll set you up here so you can see the phone and how many decibels it's making. So let's punch in the code and get ready to set the MasterBlaster off. So you can see the MasterBlaster is rated for 127 decibels and that's spiked at 126.4 decibels. And believe you me, if you were in the room with that MasterBlaster, it is going to blow your eardrums. They are so loud. If you're interested in a MasterBlaster, I will leave a link to one in the description of this video, and let us know what you think of them if you get them and you fit one. Absolutely a must have if you've got any kind of alarm fitted and you want super high loud security. I want someone, if they get in my garage, to get absolutely freaked out by how loud it is and just run away. And that's what that MasterBlaster should do. But yeah, again, thanks for watching fellas, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.